Welcome to our exciting introduction to the Tunnel Bridge, a customized indoor playing equipment designed specifically for preschool kids. This innovative play structure combines the thrill of crawling through a tunnel with the adventure of crossing a bridge, providing endless fun and developmental benefits for young children. The Tunnel Bridge is a vibrant and engaging piece of equipment that captures the imagination of preschoolers. The tunnel section is perfect for little ones to crawl through, encouraging them to explore and navigate their environment. This activity promotes gross motor skills, spatial awareness, and physical coordination as children move through the tunnel, strengthening their muscles and enhancing their agility. The Tunnel Bridge is more than just a play structure, it's a gateway to a world of fun, learning, and growth for young children.